Okay students, so I gave you homework from page number 1 to 5 and you have done that homework. Now we are on page number 6 and we have question number we have question number 3 question number 3 on page number 6. So look, we have a number, we have a diagram. 2 is placed at 1000 place, 6 is placed at 100 place, 4 is placed at 10's place, and 8 is placed at 1's place. And by watching this we have to give the answers of some questions. So the first question is the digit 2 is in the dash place. The digit 2 is in the which place? 1000. So you will write 1000 here, THOUSAND, 1000. Okay, the value of the digit 2 is, the value of the digit 2 is placed at 1000 place. So what it value will be called? 2000. So you will write 2 and 1000 में कितने जीरो आते हैं? 3. So 1 2 3 you will write 2000 here. Just like this on question number B, the digit 6 is in the dash place. The digit 6 is in the 100 place. So you will write HUNDRED, 100 place. HUNDRED, 100. The value of the digit 6 is placed at 100 place. So the value of the digit 6 is, क्या होगी वैल्यू digit 6 की? 600. 600 में 2 zeros आते हैं, as you know. Okay. Third question is the digit 4 is in the dash place. So the digit 4 is in the TENS, tens place. The digit 4 stands for dash. 4 is at tens place. So what the digit 4 stands for? 40. What the digit 4 stands for? 40. Okay. So just like this, question number D is the digit 8 is in the dash place. So number D में है the digit 8 is in the dash place. So it is in the ones place. So you will write ones, ONES, ones in question number D. And question number D second line में लिखा हुआ है the digit 8 stands for. The digit 8 stands for. The digit 8 stands for as it is placed at ones place. So the digit 8 stands for 8, EIGHT, 8. Okay, so you will write 8 here. Just like this you have to solve question number 4 on the same page. Okay, now on page number 7 you have to do the same work. Page number 7, question number 5 is, come on page number 7, page number 7, question number 5 is look at the number shown. So the number is 6019. Okay, so you have to answer the questions, you have to fill in the blanks by watching this number. So the digit dash is in the tens place. So you have to answer that which digit is in the tens place. So one's tens, digit 1 is in the tens place. So you will write 1 in question number A. So you will write 1 in question number A. Now you have next question. Question number B is the digit dash stands for 6000. Which digit stands for 6000? The digit 6 stands for 6000. You will write 6 in number B. Okay, so in number A you will write 1. In number B you will write 6. In number C you will write, the number C is the digit 0 is in the dash place. So where is the digit 0 is placed? 0 is placed in ones, tens, 100 place. So you will write 100 in number C. And question number D is The value of the digit dash is 9. The value of the digit dash is 9. The value of the digit dash is 9. Digit 9 is 9. Digit 9 and the value, its value is 9 because it is placed at ones place. So इसकी वैल्यू भी सेम ही है. जो वंस प्लेस पे नंबर होता है वो जो नंबर होता है उसकी वैल्यू भी वही होती है. सो यू विल राइट NINE 9 here. No, NINE you will write 9 because digit आपसे आज पूछा है. So you will write 9 here. Okay, 9 number here. Now on the same page, page number 7, question number 6 is okay. So now on the same page, page number 7, question number 6 is fill in the blanks. Okay, so number A is 1953 is equal to, okay, 900 is already written, 50 is already written, 3 is already written. So what number is this? 1953. So what will become here? 1000. 1 2 3. 1 के आगे 1 2 3 digits हैं, so you will write 1230 here. Okay, so it becomes 1000. Okay, so number 2 is 8274. 8000 is already written here, then dash 70 plus 4. So what comes in this blank? 8000 is written, then blank, then 70, then 4. This number is 8274. So obviously 200 will become here. 2, and after 2 how many digits? 1 2. So you will write 2 zeros here. 1 2. Okay, now on question number C, what we will read this number? 2954. Okay, 2000. अच्छा अभी इन्होंने यहाँ पे क्या कर दिया? वंस पहले लिख दिए, टेंस फिर देन 1000 एंड देन 2000. इन्होंने उल्टा कर दिया हमें कंफ्यूज करने के लिए, बट वी विल नॉट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड. ओके, सो 2000 dash 54. 2954. So you will write 900 here. Okay, then question number D. Question number D में ये चीज़ इधर ले गए हैं, लोग ये चीज़ इधर ले गए हैं. सॉरी, क्वेश्चन नंबर D में ये चीज़ इधर ले गए हैं और ये उल्टा इन्होंने लिख दिया है. सो द नंबर इज हेयर 7432. सो 7432. So what we will write here? 3030, because after 3 we have one digit, so we will write 10 with 3. So it becomes 7432. Okay, now again they gave us the whole number here. Okay, 3850. So 3800. 8 के बाद 2 digits हैं 1 2, so you will write 2 zeros here, and 50. So 50 is already written here, so what will be left? We on the ones place we have 0, so we will write only 0 here because 50 तो already बन गया है. 3850. So no number left. On the ones place there is 0, so we will write 0 here. Okay, so now we have done page number 7. Okay, so don't forget to mention the date on the top of the page and class work on the top of the page. Okay, now on page number 8, what you have to do? You have to write in words. Some numbers are given to you in exercise number 7, question number 7, page number 8. Write in words. Some numbers are given to you and you have to write in words. You have to write their names. Okay, write their names. So number 1 is 1923. So you will write it as SONE1, THOUSAND 1000, NINE 9, HUNDRED 100, AND and TWENTY 20, THREE 3. So you will write all the questions A B C D like this. Okay, now on question number 8, you have to write in numerals. The number names are given to you and you have to write the numbers. So number A is 3650. Number A of question number 8 is 3800 3050. So how you will write it? 3850. Now number B is 6009. So how you will write it? 6009. So 100 place, 1000 place, सॉरी 100 प्लेस एंड 10 प्लेस पे तो कोई नंबर ही नहीं है. 6009 we will write on the ones place obviously. Number C we have is 7102. 7102 means there is no number on 10th place, so you will write 0 on the 10th place and 2 and write 2 on ones place. Now number D is 1030. So 1030 means 100 पे कोई नंबर नहीं है, so you will write 0 on the 100 place, 1030, 3 on 10th place and 0 on ones place. So it becomes 30. So you will do this on question number 8, page number 8, question number 8, okay? And question number 7, in which you have to write the names of the numbers, is your homework, okay? So you will write, we will consider it as your homework, okay? Question number 7 is your homework. Page number 8, question number 7 is your homework, okay? So students, I hope that you all enjoyed learning with me. Now enjoy 30 minutes break, but remember it's not a fun break, it's a P unit break. And in P unit break, what you will do, what you have to do, you have to done your whole classwork. In P unit break you will done your classwork and don't forget to do your homework in the evening, okay? So thank you so much for joining me. Jazakallah. Today we have completed our work till page number 8, okay? So inshallah, see you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.